Cranes are elegant, long-legged birds known for their grace and distinct appearance. Belonging to the family Gruidae, they are found across various continents, inhabiting wetlands, grasslands, and forests. With 15 different species, including the famous whooping crane and red-crowned crane, these birds stand out with their impressive wingspans and unique calls. Their habitats, however, are under threat due to human activities such as agriculture and urban development, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. Apart from their beauty, cranes play an essential role in ecosystems. They help control insect populations by feeding on small creatures like fish and insects, contributing to the overall health of wetlands and grasslands. Their courtship dances, used for mating rituals, are fascinating displays of their social behavior. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting crane habitats are vital, and individuals can help by supporting organizations that focus on wildlife preservation. By spreading awareness and participating in conservation initiatives, we can help ensure that cranes continue to thrive in their natural environments. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.